Why is ABAGY's solution a breakthrough? It was believed that robots were only fit for mass production where thousands of identical products are made. But that's not true anymore. With ABAGY, you can use welding robots for custom projects and even one-of-a-kind parts. First, robots can easily switch from one product to another in minutes. See for yourself. Here it is being used for bridge steel fabrication, where more than 50 types of various products are produced in one robotic cell per month. Here, where conveyor equipment is made, 150 types of products are produced in a single cell. And here, making assembly tables, where each one is different every time. Second, parts in real production are rarely perfect. No problem. Our robots adapt to any deviations. Third, the ABAGY system is so simple that any welder can master it in 2 hours. After that, one person can do 5 or 10 people's worth of work. How is this possible? Because with ABAGY, no programming required. Just a few clicks. You select the welds and set the welding parameters. Also, our robots can see. Thanks to machine vision, robotic systems are more adaptable and flexible than ever. All of this makes ABAGY a great tool for turning welding robots into more profit for high-mix, low-volume production. You won't have to worry about welder shortage ever again, and your current employees will have an easier and more exciting workflow.